Another day was over. In the soft dark, the cotton truck spilled the pickers out and roared out of the yard with a sound like a giant's fart. The workers stepped around in circles for a few seconds, as if they had found themselves unexpectedly in an unfamiliar place. Their minds sagged. In the store, the men's faces were the most painful to watch. But I seemed to have no choice. When they tried to smile, to carry off their tiredness as if it was nothing, the body did nothing to help the mind's attempt at disguise. Their shoulders dropped, even as they laughed, and when they put their hands on their hips in a show of jauntiness, the palms slipped, the thighs as if the pants were waxed. Evening, Sister Henderson. We're back where we started, huh? Yes, sir, Brother Stewart. Back where you started. Bless the Lord. Mama could not take the smallest achievement for granted. People whose history and future were threatened each day by extinction considered that it was only by divine intervention that they were able to live at all. I find it interesting that the meanest life, the poorest existence, is attributed to God's will. But as human beings become more affluent, as their living standard and style being to ascend the material scale, God descends the scale of responsibility at a commensurate speed.